Some of you may have seen my latest stop motion, Lucas Gunford in a Galaxy Far, Far Away, and today I'm going to show you how you can make the laser effects from that movie with just a couple bricks, a red light, and Stop Motion Studio Pro. You need a red light. For some reason it's not really showing on the camera, but a red light, a red translucent missile from a spring-loaded shooter or a lightsaber blade or something like that, and then a blue or green background. So you're going to build a little stand for the light and the missile. It doesn't really matter what it looks like. It just needs to be high enough that the camera can see it. Next, in Stop Motion Studio Pro, I'm going to use the green screen option to edit out the blue background. You can also use a green one. And I imported a bright green background so it can edit out the blue and replace it with green. Then I take all the pictures, moving the laser across the screen. For the first shot, I used a red diamond so it looked like an explosion. Here are the pictures from the original one I used for the laser in the movie. You can see here I started out with a diamond there for the explosion, and then I moved it back a little bit and took away the diamond for just a plain laser. And then I kept moving it across the screen, getting a little bit faster each time. Next, I imported that same plain green background before each of the laser shots and used the erase tool to erase out all the extra bricks around the laser and show the green through. Here's the finished product. Now that I have imported my laser into my video editor, I'm using Movavi Video Editor 15. I can use Chroma Key to edit out the green and layer it on top of the stop motion. After that, I can just duplicate it as many times as I need. Next, I'll make it the right size and position it where I want it. If you need the laser to go the opposite direction, then just turn it 180 degrees so that it is flipped. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, please consider liking this video and subscribing. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe now.